Thank you. And we'll just tie off to the bow eye. Get a little bit closer.
Wow, you could just come right up on it.
Well, you're not far.
Well, we almost had it off. If the tide wasn't going out,
Yeah.
we would have pushed it off. We gave it our best.
We gave
for
it
like
a good college shot.
40 minutes.
So what happened? You just missed the channel marker?
You know what? We don't come here very often, and just came out. If the fucking birds had been standing here, I wouldn't. I'm blaming it on the birds.
That's fair. They don't come back here all.
I've never been towed in 35 years, so this is my second tow this week.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
First tow wasn't your fault. First tow. You want me to do?
Can I? Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah.
This was actually a foot earlier.
You want to just loop it through there and pass it back to me? We'll go right down to the eye on the bottom.
Yep.
Nope.
Going to go around
Nope.
both?
The one at the bottom.
Oh, the one at the bottom.
Yep. Thank you.
I'm like, this is 30 years of insurance paying off, babe.
Yeah. That's good.
It is.
It's a New Englander coming to boat in Florida.
Yeah.
In New England,
There's
we have water
sandbars.
everywhere.
Well, I'm from
there.
Massachusetts.
Oh, so
So-
you get it.
Oh
right?
yeah. That's saying you go up there, you can go pretty much anywhere, except you gotta watch out for rocks.
Yeah, the
Well,
rocks.
there are no sandbars.
Nope. That's saying you got rocks, so I'll take sandbars over rocks.
Yeah,
That's
true,
what you
true
said.
that.
That's what you just
True that.
said. Yeah.
That's it. You want to get on the boat?
Yep, sure.
We'll just have both of you sit at the helm. Hey, you ready?
Yep.
I got it. Doesn't get much easier than that.
It doesn't get much embarrassing than that. But, you
Hey,
know what?
If you're gonna do it, at least you got the music to hang out
Well,
there.
you know what? It wasn't that horrible. But wait, you need me to sign anything?
Nope, we're all set.
Thanks, man.
You're very welcome.
Back. There we go.
Well, thanks for watching this one. We'll see you on the next one. How's it going?
All right.
Is this an old Freedom Boat Club boat?
No,
No?
nope, just one of mine.
No, okay. Don't see too many of
I
the
see them everywhere.
Center Console trophies out here, other than the Freedom ones.
Yeah, this is. I see them everywhere, but everyone who drives one, I'm like, they're like, oh, we're with Freedom Boat
Yep.
Club.
Yeah, that's too far.
And I had a hydraulic
Oh yeah.
leak. And then we tried to just repair it. Like I had someone come out here, and I was like, well, if I can repair it, I'll drive. Like I'll be able to get back to the boat dock.
Mm-hmm.
And this thing has been a nightmare to get off. It's like he didn't bring me the right thing to actually like
Okay.
put this off, so I wasn't able to do anything. Love those.
Let's go.
You said you got done with the grounding?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were right up. You know the seafood restaurant right at Northeast Taylor? They were right on the other side of that red marker.
Seemed like they didn't know what they were doing, or
I don't know, 'cause they said they haven't been back there that often, and it's pretty easy to tell where that channel is,
Yeah,
right in that spot.
yeah.
So I don't know if they were distracted listening to the music there or what. Pretty much had like this much of the boat on the sandbar, and the rest of it was in deep water floating. So they said they were almost able to push it off. Yeah. Okay, just that line in the power pole.
Yes, because I tied it.
Oh, okay.
Should I bring this down all the way?
See, if you want to grab the line off the dock, then we'll do the power pole last. Don't shit. Need some slack there? If I can give you any.
Power pole ready?
Yep, all set.
Just one day. Turn my wheel. Like I'm about to back out of here.
since the steering's a little bit off. I'll keep them a little bit closer than normal. We'll see how it does.
Would it be easy for us to like sneak in on that right side, or the dock on our left? But
So I was just going to nose straight into the dock and just push you right up alongside. So I'll put you on your port side right into the dock.
Yeah.
So if you want to get a line set up on that port bow cleat there. Come to this side. Yep. There you go.
Where are you putting me then? Oh, okay.
I'm just going to nose straight into the dock. Any idea when they redid all the channel markers back here?
Yeah, like a month ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
It's been a little while since I've been back here.
I think it's way better now.
Yeah,
They
I mean,
flooded them with them.
they still don't match up on the chart,
Nope,
but
not at all.
they didn't match before. At least now you can figure out where the hell you're going, though.
Yeah.
That was the hardest thing the first time I came back here was at night, and they're not lining up on the chart. They're all over the place when you're looking at them. Maybe that means they are going to finally start updating the charts with it.
Yeah, I would hope. Yeah, no, that's literally there's a lot more.
Yeah.
Though, too, and then most of them that were already there that kind of show up on the mark, they don't align with where they're at. So,
Now, it looked like the main channel came up here. Do you know about any of those side channels? How those are marked?
all the other ones that kind of like
Yeah.
those are pretty well marked.
Oh, okay.
Like, pretty accurate with what's on the screen. Because I've done some fishing up in some of the other
Yeah.
areas.
I've really only come here to the one that's a little bit to the east of us.
road's long enough. I'm just gonna do one little thing.
It'll reach back here.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay.